I have a great tip for you today, and despite the name, it's not evil. Most of us have got one side of the body stronger and more prolific than the other. And usually it is the right side, right hand and right leg. There are of course exceptions to this rule. Right hand and left foot, left hand and right foot. But what we are about to do here is to challenge this hardwired brain structure of ours. Learn new coordination to gain more power over our musical instrument. In his book, The Art of Just Trumpet, John McNeils addresses this in a chapter called Some Ideas About Practicing. He starts with some words of wisdom from Carmen Caruso, who said, "What we call coordination is simply the movement of muscles in time." Then McNeils goes on to describe what Luigi Bonpensieri wrote in his book New Pathways to Piano Technique. Bonpensieri focuses on an important word we should all learn and use: ideokinetics. It basically means acquiring new skills using the power of imagination. This can be implemented in more than one way. I will discuss one of them in another video, but here we are going to take a look at switching hands and of course feet if we are drummers. Research has shown that making the left hand do what the right hand is used to doing will improve the right hand along with the left hand coordination. Playing the piano by switching hands, Bonpensieri claimed the brain would redefine all the necessary coordination and in much more flexible way that would speed up the learning. McNeils tried this himself with the trumpet, and the results were amazing. In his own words, basically you hold the trumpet in your right hand and work the valves with your left. To be effective, this practice has to be done very slowly and deliberately, and the passage being worked on should not be more than few bars in length. Use a metronome and gradually increase speed. When you switch your hands back, you will find that your speed and ease of execution will have increased greatly. Practicing this way can speed up your acquisition of finger speed by almost 30%. Let's take a look at the drum kit. How it is set up is no accident. For right-handed drummers, the kick drum is at the right foot, and the cymbals, the pulse instrument, are accessible by the right hand. The right hand does of course most of the work, playing the pulse of the beat. In a typical rock groove, plays 8 notes, while the left hand only plays 2 notes on the snare drum. And the right foot usually somewhere between 2 and 4 strokes. The left foot, most often it only clutches the hi-hat cymbals together. But in jazz music it plays the 2 and 4, the backbeat. There it has the same role as the left hand in rock music. So there you have it. Try assembling your drum set in a sinister fashion and let the right side of your body do the left hand work and vice versa. It will be hard, but you will eventually get the hang of it. And when reordering the kit the right way, you will find that everything has become easier than before. That's all for today. Thank you for your time, and please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. See you next time.